This is Sagarika Mohanty. Welcome to Business Studies classes. In previous classes, we discussed about the business activities, and here we are discuss about your business function. So, what is business function? Business function is a function related to your all the business activities. And here we can say that the business function can be categorized into 5 major categories, such as first one is your financing. Second is production. Third is selling. Fourth one is, and last one is your human resource management. So these are the basic functions relating to your business. Let's discuss these functions one by one. First is your financing. What is financing? Financing is related to your money. Or we can say that finance is your lifeblood of the business. Why finance is called lifeblood of the business? Lifeblood of business is called your finance because in every business activities it requires finance. Thus, it is concerned with the utilization and mobilization of funds for a running of the business. This is some activities related to your finance in your business. Next is production. What is production? Production is a process through which your raw material is converted into your finished product, or we can say that it is a conversion process through which your raw material input, or we can say that input is converted into output. And this is the production activities are done through your factors of production. And what are the factors of production? Factors of production are your land, labor, capital, and enterprises, etc. Next point is marketing. It is play a prominent role in every business organization, because without marketing your product cannot be reached to your ultimate consumer. Through this purpose, marketing is related to your 4 P's. And what are they? These are, first is your product, next is your place, next is your price, and last is your promotion. So these are the basic 4 P's through which your marketing activities are done. And here the marketing is related to your awareness of the product. You can know about the product quality, their price, their quantity, their size, etc. So thus this is one of the important function of your business. And next we are jumping to our next point, that is selling. It is one of the also important function of every business, because every businessman wants to earn profit. Through the selling activities, businessmen earn profit. They sell their product to the customers and get return on behalf of on the terms of profit. This is related to your selling activities. And last, that is your human resource management. Human resource management means it is related to your manpower. It is related to your manpower. That means every business should treat their manpower as an asset. For this purpose, it play an important role, because without manpower, a businessman cannot achieve their target within the time limit. Thus, it is another important function of every business. Now, our topic is commerce and their roles and functions. Let's discuss the meaning of commerce first. As you are a commerce student, you should know about the meaning of commerce. And what is the meaning of commerce? Commerce is a wider term and it is related to your sales and exchange of goods and services to the customers. And it is also ensure that the supply of goods should be available to the customer at a right time, right place and at a right price also. Let's discuss their roles and functions. The roles and functions of the commerce is also known as the hindrances relating to your commerce. So the various hindrances of commerce are your hindrances of person, hindrances of place, hindrances of time, hindrances of risk, hindrances of finance and hindrances of information. Let's discuss these hindrances one by one. First, we will discuss hindrances of person. So hindrances of person is arises due to lackness of communication gap between your producer and consumer, because all the producer wants their product available at your right time, right place and right price, but there is a communication gap, or we can say that there is a lack of contact between the producer and consumer. So for this purpose the various problems are arises. Through solve this problem, commerce play a important role, and such role is your trade. So commerce is relating to your trading activity through which your product should be available to your customer. And we know that there is a various type of trade, that is your wholesale trade, your retail trade, export trade, import trade, etc. So for this purpose you can solve your hindrances of person. Next we are jumping to our next point, that is place. It is a place of hindrances relating to your due to geographical separation between your producer and consumer, because all the producers and consumers are not available at the same place. For this purpose the producer wants that their product should be available in every corner of the country. For this purpose commerce play a significant role, and this role is your transport. So commerce here provide the transport facilities, and transport facilities means there is a movement of goods and services through from your point of production to point of destination. So for this purpose of transport you can solve the problem of place. Next is hindrances of time, and hindrances of time means there is a time gap between the production and consumption, because you cannot produce at your goods and services at every time. For this purpose you face some problem. Through this to solve this problem, commerce facilitates one of the role, that is your storage and warehouse. Storage and warehouse facilities. What is this? This is the facilities given by the commerce to solve your time problem, hindrances of time problem, and here the storage, you can store your product and make available at when the requirement of the customers. Then next is risk. What is the risk? Risk is the possibility of losses occurs due to in various stages, and we know that we are doing business and we solve risk at any stage. For this purpose, and your risk may be your risk from damages, theft or pilferage, etc. So due to various losses you face various risks. For this purpose commerce play an important role, and such role is your facilitates insurance. So through insurance your business can cover all the risks, and in insurance there is basically involved two parties, that is insurer and insured. Who is insurer? The person who recovered the loss, that is your insurance company, or you can say that the third party. And who is insured? Insured is a person who suffer from loss. So this is basically related to your hindrances of risk. Next our point is finance. As we have discussed earlier that finance is a lifeblood of the business and it required at every stages of your business activities. So finance problem arises due to requirement of capital, and capital is requirement relating to your working capital or your relating to your fixed capital. So this is for this purpose commerce facilitates banking and financial institutions facilities. Banking and financial institutional facilities. Through these facilities, your finance problem can solve. How these are helpful for the solving your finance problem? Banking and financial institutions provide various financial services or activities that through your finance problem can be solved. Like your example is they providing advances, loans, bank overdraft, cash credit, etc. So for this purpose, the commerce play an important role to solve your finance problem. Next is your information. Information is related to your problem if there is a lackness of your product awareness. That means it is related to due to lack of product awareness, various problems are suffered by the customers or producers also. For this purpose, commerce facilitates that is advertisement. Through the advertisement, the lackness of product awareness can be increased, and through the advertisement, the customer know about the product, their quality, their quantity, their price, their size, etc. So these are the basic hindrances related to your commerce, and commerce play a major roles in every stages of hindrances. Like here in person, the commerce play a role of trade. In place, commerce play a role in relating to your transport, and in your time, commerce related play a important role for the facilitating storage and warehousing facilities. Next is insurance, that is related to your hindrances of risk, and next is finance. It provides the banking and financial institutional facilities, and information, it provides advertisement facilities. So these are the basic related to your commerce and their role and function. Hope you guys are understand my point. Thank you for watching me.